Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. Now in today's video I'm going to show you 6 useful websites that can help you earn an extra money. So let's get started. Now the first one, transcribeme.com. When you go to transcribeme.com, you find their homepage. Now this is the homepage. Now you're going to get transcription jobs from them. So all you have to do is come here. You can see up top there's a freelancer login. All you have to do is create. So let's look at how it looks. For example, you have transcription industry, solutions, AI learning. You can see all the reviews. These are 5-star ratings, trusted by over 1,000 happy customers, shaping the future of human-powered AI. So it's basically easy to do. All you have to do if you want to become a freelancer is create an account, connect your PayPal. So you're going to get paid by PayPal. Now it has an entrance exam, but this should not scare you, as I'm pretty sure that this exam is going to be easy to do, and if you're careful enough, you'll be able to pass through the checks. Now let's get to the second website, that is Home Analog Fiction. Now Home Analog Fiction, fact, science fiction and facts, is a website that you can create stories and get paid from them. As you can see, there's it has over 90 years of awards. You can see some of the examples of the stories. Asimov science fiction, there's Terra, the Crossroads science fiction, Value Pack 8, Into the New Millennium. All you have to do, you can use ChatGPT to write you a story, then you can use DALL-E to create the cover page, which will create you AI art for free. Now the third one, Literally. Now Literally, I know most of you are going to ask, what does it do? Now what it does is you listen to an audio and then you get to transcribe it, noting the errors and mistakes made in the audio. Now as you can see here, the Saving the Tiger. Now if this person listened, and you can see they're going to create on how they're going to correct errors that were made into this. Now if you want to get this website, all you have to do is sign up for free. It's absolutely free. There's not going to be extra cost for you, and you can see it's now even in Spanish. Let us look at the reviews. Some people saying it gives me valuable data that I don't have to take tedious time to create for myself. Let's look another review. The program is exactly what every teacher has been dreaming about. How do I complete running records for my whole class without losing a whole day of instructional time? So you can see it helps a lot for the teachers. Now if you want to help your school or maybe a district, you can request a demo or try it for free. But where we are going to get the money is you have to become a teacher. So you sign up for free, you get the recordings, you transcribe them, and then you get paid for that. Now it's easy as that. Now for the fourth website, it's oatmeal.studios. Now oatmeal.studios, you create cards. You can see, for example, at the homepage, the 2023 catalog. Now I think one of the requirements that you have to have for this website is you have to have humor. You have to have good humor. For example, you can create greeting cards. Let's look at an example. You can see there's also birthday cards, milestone, belated cards, anniversary cards, retirement cards. So it's easy as that. All you have to do is create cards for this. Now for like analog science fiction, all you have to do is use DALL-E, create the art, and use an editor like Canva to edit text on the websites. Now that is all for that. For the fifth website, it's tigerfish.com. This is also a transcribing platform where you get work, you transcribe the jobs, and then you get paid for it. There's not much to say about it because it's pretty self-explanatory. All you have to do is get an account which you're going to create for free. You can see Tigerfish blog, contacts. All you have to do is apply for it, and then you'll be able to get paid from that. Now, the sixth and the final website is Quicktake.com. Quicktake is also an online transcription website. All you have to do is go to Quicktake. If you want to learn more, you can visit on the website page. You see about how it works, but most of these are pretty easy to understand, and all you have to do is sign up for free, and you become a freelancer and get more jobs and get an earning from it. Now, thank you. If you've watched the video, please subscribe and comment down below if this video has been helpful. Thank you.